Hi everyone, this is Pam from Shabby Vintage Dreams. I am here to do a quick project share this morning. I did a loaded pocket envelope, I guess it's called. This is, I have to give credit to KSP by Luisa. I will attach her link below. This is the result of one of her tutorials I watched, and I thought it was so darling. I decided to try it for myself, and so I made a loaded pocket to give to my niece for Valentine's Day. She's 12 years old, and I tried to customize this to someone her age, although Luisa's video shows it, with very, adult things that you can do with it also. I kind of tailored mine to the younger version, I guess you'd say. But it turned out really cute, and I wanted to share it with you. So this is the front. It stands up by itself. And it's like a trifold, which I will show you, but this just turned out adorable. And if I had more time, I would probably make more than this one, but this Valentine's Day, I think this is all I'm going to be able to fit in. But anyway, this is just so cute. So it's got the pocket in front. I'm trying to figure out how to, I will attach Luisa's video below also, so you can see the actual tutorial on how to make it and how she filled hers. But it's a card that is like a trifold. It opens up, and I hope you can see this whole thing. Trying to get this into frame so you can see it. But anyway, this is really like full of stuff. But if I take some of these things out here, you can see. This is a little, it's so cute. It's a little notebook, little heart-shaped notebook, says Happy Valentine's Day. A lot of this stuff was from the Dollar Tree and the Target dollar bins. So I just bought the little things and loaded it up inside. Luisa will show you how to make these darling paper clips. This little heart came from Dollar Tree and backed it with a little adhesive heart and just turned it into a really cute little quick paper clip that you can put on just about anything. I just put it on this to display it more than anything else. So cute. Some washi tape. I also put in heart-shaped sticky notes. And whoa, I'm losing my camera here. Sorry, hang on just 1 second. Okay. Sorry about that. See if that's better. Okay, so heart-shaped sticky notes, which are really cute. Post-its, I should say. And then there's some little puffy felt hearts in here, a little paper clip or a clothespin. This is one of those adhesive, it's a shaker. It's got glitter inside the little thing right here. So I cut the paper, I attached a doily here, made a gusseted pocket. Luisa's video will show you how to do that. Stuck on the little love and XO hug and a kiss on the front. This right here is actually a magnetic bookmarker. So I just stuck it there. Made the wand. There are lots of wand demos out there to show you tutorials. I just made this really quick, and I think I just followed a really simple thing Luisa shows on how to do. Put a pen in here, another little pocket that I little padded cushiony. This was a box of pre-made little hearts, puffy hearts, and they're made out of felt. They're really cute, and this was at Michael's, if I'm not mistaken. And the box of them, I think there was like, 12 maybe in the box, all different sizes. Some had sayings, some were just plain. And they were $4.99, and I got them half off. So, for about $2.50, which was really cute. Then inside here, here's another real pretty glittery Michael's pick, and I just cut it to size and stuck it in here. Here's another bookmark. Here, another paper clip where I clipped some little ephemera pieces that she can use and do what she wants to. The donut with the sprinkles, and the lips, which I thought were really cute. Made another paper clip and just put those in. In this pocket, this first pocket, I stuffed some more really cute little stickers. And again, I believe this came from Michael's on sale. And let me see if there's anything else stuffed in that pocket. I think that's it for the front. And, you know, this is quite a bit of stuff I got stuffed in that one pocket. Over here to the side, I just made a couple of really cute tassels. And all I did was take colored paper clips, just something really quick. Colored paper clips, and just attached a little pre-made tassel. These were also from Target's dollar bin. So I just made a couple of those out of 2 different pinks and attached those to the front. Then when you open it up, this page, I pretty much just decorated here. Here's another one at the other side of the magnetic bookmark. Here's another shaker card. It says, "Love you, mean it." Just really cute. This little glitter things inside there that shake around, move around. Ephemera that says Girl Squad. And this I just tacked down with a little bit of glue. These are removable stickers that she can take off of here. And these came from the Dollar Tree. So she can take those off and use it. And then it opens up to this page, which I decorated and made another pocket and put some more goodies in here. And because the pocket page on the front and this pocket page are really kind of jammed full of stuff, the other pages are very flat and simple, not two-dimensional, because, you know, when you fold it up, it starts to get pretty fat and you don't want the paper to tear that you made the album out of. So, yeah. So let me see if I can grab the paper pad I used for this. And I also found some old paper I had, and I decided to use it too. But the paper pad I used, I actually got at Michael's. I think it was half off clearance. It is by Recollections. It's their brand, and this is called Girl Squad. And the papers in here are just adorable. There's lips, more lips on a black background, pink stripes. This is little Cupid's arrows, hearts. They're tiny prints, but they're just so cute. Look at this one here, the little stripe. High heels. Donuts, more colored donuts. So yeah, it's a really cute pad. More donuts, more kisses, really pretty. I love the pink and green theme. So that was the paper pad I used. And then I had a couple of other pieces from my stash. Some of the, like the heart candies. And this was just a piece of paper that says, "Sweetheart, mine, XO, XO, hug, blah, blah, blah." So I use these two in the book also. But the book is so easy. The little card is so easy to assemble. And Luisa shows you how to make the gussets, make the pocket, how to put it all together. So I would highly recommend that you go to her channel and watch her video. This is so cute too. This one is this pocket. Let me pull out what I have in this pocket. Actually, you get in more than you think you can. So, pencil, her pen, another little puffy heart. This is so cute. It's a little, this is from the dollar bin, and it says, "Make today lovely." It's a little coin purse. Paper clips, some really cute little pencils, little short pencils, and some temporary tattoos. Really cute. All of this came from the Target dollar bin. And then the middle pocket, as you can see, says "Besties" on the background. And she and I are very close, so that's kind of how I see us, that we're besties. And then the little pocket I made says "Love" and "Forever." It's got the little doily there. And then each one of these, I should mention, is a pocket. Now the first page pocket, obviously I opened up and used as the front of the book. That was the pocket that I actually curled around and put goodies in. So that was that pocket. But this page has a pocket, and so does the last page has a pocket that you can actually slide things in. So that's what I did here. After I put all the goodies inside, on this pocket, I slid in some more stickers, cut apart. This is Dollar Tree. And at the Target bin, they had these darling little heart-shaped postcards with envelopes, stationery. So I put those in, and on the back side I turned one this way so that from the back looking at it, it would be, you know, kind of cute. You could see that. So that's what goes in that pocket. And then, let's see, let me see if I can. It was just so fun to stuff all these little goodies in this pocket. And I remember when my daughter was this age, you know, she really loved this kind of stuff. The Sanrio store and stuff. So see how cute? I mean, that's just adorable. And then the last page, what I did was, this is a plastic sheet that, this I got at Michael's. It says, "My heart is full." And these are all removable stickers. So I put them all here so that she could peel them off and use these again on a project of her own. And behind, you can probably see, I used one of the little ephemera pieces that looks like a heart, or lips behind that. And then in this pocket, I put some doilies that she can use to make her own cards. And this says, look how cute, I got the little tag. Girls, girls, girls. These are all stickers, nail polish, etc. On the back, more of the little doilies with a shoe, a high heel shoe, which I thought was cute. And then I just put some stickers on the back of the card so that she could see, you know, from the back. It would look kind of cute. It wouldn't look so stark. So that's what's in this pocket. Let's see if I can open this up and get everything back in here. There we go. So that's what's in that pocket. It just turned out so cute. And so then the back side, see, this is what you see. I wanted this to be, you know, cute. So another little paper clip here, another shaker sticker with some more ephemera, another little Valentine's notebook there because that lays really flat. So she can do that and put that all together. So when it's trifold, it looks like this. You close it up and it looks like this. And see if I can get all my goodies back in here. Oh, actually, yeah. I mean, how cute is it? It just turned out adorable. This goes here, I think. This went in here. This goes over here. The little ephemera stickers. First, I got to put in the lips. They go here. And that goes there. The Be Mine goes right there in the middle. The little ephemera cards I stuck in behind the Be Mine. They go here. Whoops, hang on. Get kind of crunched up there. There, they go like that. And then in front, this goes here. Little pocket. The washi tape is here. A little heart goes here. And this little heart goes here. Yeah, so I got everything back in. Yay. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. It was just a quick project share, but it turned out so cute. The very back page is the lip page. I used the other half of the doily and the high heel here and put the forever across here so you could see. It's very sweet, and I think my niece will really enjoy it. So get back in there. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you will like my channel, like my video, subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching. Until the next time, bye for now.